Hello, students. Welcome back. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. This is for class 4th subject mathematics. I will continue chapter number 2 fractions. Lecture number 8. Now, in this lecture, I shall discuss about subtraction of mixed fractions, properties of subtraction of fractions, and exercise 2E question number 3 and question number 4. In this lecture, I shall discuss about subtraction of mixed fractions, properties of subtraction of fractions, and exercise 2E question number 3 and question number 4. Now, subtraction of mixed fractions. I will explain you by examples. For example, question number 1. Find the difference between 2 whole 1 by 9 and 1 whole 1 by 9. Find the difference between 2 whole 1 by 9 and 1 whole 1 by 9. Answer. Write here 2 whole 1 by 9 minus 1 whole 1 by 9. Now see, these two fractions are mixed fractions. So first we will convert into an improper fractions. See, 2 whole 1 by 9 equal 2 multiply 9 plus 1. 2 multiply 9, 18 plus 1, 19. 19 by 9. Next, 1 whole 1 by 9. 1 multiply 9, 9 plus 1, 10. That is 10 by 9. So write here 19 by 9 minus 10 by 9. 2 whole 1 by 9 equal 19 by 9 and 1 whole 1 by 9 equal 10 by 9. Now see, 19 by 9 and 10 by 9 are like fractions. So write here 19 minus 10 by 9 and 19 minus 10 equal 9. So write here 9 by 9 equal 1. Answer is 1. Now, question number 2. Find the difference between 3 whole 1 by 2 and 5 by 8. Find the difference between 3 whole 1 by 2 and 5 by 8. Answer. Write 3 whole 1 by 2 minus 5 by 8. Now see, 3 whole 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. So first we will change into an improper fraction. See, 3 whole 1 by 2 equal 3 multiply 2 plus 1. See, 3 multiply 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So 3 whole 1 by 2 is 7 by 2. So write here 7 by 2 minus 5 by 8. Now see, 7 by 2 and 5 by 8 are unlike fractions. So first we will find the LCM of denominators, that is 2 and 8. So find the LCM of 2 and 8. So write here 2 and 8. Now see, 2 and 8 are divisible by 2. So write 2 here. Now see, 2 multiply 1, 2. 2 multiply 4, 8. Now see, this 4 is divisible by 2. So write 2 here. Write 1 as it is. 2 multiply 2, 4. Now see, this 2 is also divisible by 2. So write 2 here. Write 1 as it is. 2 multiply 1, 2. So write LCM of 2 and 8 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. See, 2 multiply 2, 4 multiply 2, 8. So write here 8. LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. Now write 7 by 2 minus 5 by 8. Now see, LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. So write 8 in denominator. Now divide 8. Divide 2 multiply 7 minus 8 divide 8 multiply 5. Now see, 8 divide 2 equal 4 and 8 divide 8 equal 1. So write here 4 multiply 7 minus 1 multiply 5 by 8. Now see, 4 multiply 7, 28 and 1 multiply 5, 5. So write here 28 minus 5 by 8. Now see, 28 minus 5 equal 23. So write here 23 by 8. Now see, 23 by 8 is an improper fraction. So change into mixed fraction. So we will divide 23 by 8. So divide 23 by 8. Now see 8 multiply 2, 16. Now we will do subtraction. Now see 3 is smaller than 6. So we will borrow from next number. This 2 will become 1 and this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 6, 7 and 1 minus 1, 0. Hence quotient is 2, remainder is 7 and divisor is 8. So write here 2 whole 7 by 8. Answer is 2 whole 7 by 8. Now question number 3. Find the difference between 5 whole 1 by 3 and 2 whole 2 by 9. Find the difference between 5 whole 1 by 3 and 2 whole 2 by 9. Answer 5 whole 1 by 3 minus 2 whole 2 by 9. Now see both these fractions are mixed fractions. So first we will change into an improper fractions. See 5 whole 1 by 3 equal 5 multiply 3 plus 1 by 3. See 5 multiply 3 15 plus 1 16. 16 by 3. And next 2 whole 2 by 9. 2 multiply 9 18 plus 2 20. 20 by 9. So write here 16 by 3 minus 20 by 9. 5 whole 1 by 3 equal 16 by 3. 2 whole 2 by 9 equal 20 by 9. Now see 16 by 3 and 20 by 9 are unlike fractions. So first we will find the LCM of denominators, that is 3 and 9. So find the LCM of 3 and 9. So write 3 and 9 here. Now see these 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. So write 3 here. Now see 3 multiply 1, 3. 3 multiply 3, 9. Now see this 3 is also divisible by 3. So write 3 here. Write 1 as it is. 3 multiply 1, 3. LCM of 3 and 9 equal 3 multiply 3 equal 9. So LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. Now write 16 by 3 minus 20 by 9. Now see LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. So write 9 in denominator. Now divide 9 divide 3 multiply 16 minus 9 divide 9 multiply 20. Now see 9 divide 3 equal 3. 9 divide 9 equal 1. So write here 3 multiply 16 minus 1 multiply 20 by 9. Now see 3 multiply 16, 48 and 1 multiply 20, 20. So write here 48 minus 20 by 9 and 48 minus 20 equal 28. So write here 28 by 9. Now see 28 by 9 is an improper fraction. So first we will change into mixed fraction. So we will divide 28 by 9. So divide 28 by 9. Now see 9 multiply 3. 27. Now we will do subtraction. 8 minus 7, 1 and 2 minus 2, 0. Hence quotient is 3. Remainder is 1 and divisor is 9. So write here 3 whole 1 by 9. Answer is 3 whole 1 by 9. Now, properties of subtraction of fractions. First property, a fraction does not change if 0 is subtracted from the fraction. Now see, a fraction does not change if 0 is subtracted from the fraction. अगर हम 0 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं फ्रैक्शन में से तो हमारा फ्रैक्शन वही आंसर आएगा. फ्रैक्शन डज नॉट चेंज. I will explain you by an example. See, for example, number 1. 6 by 13 minus 0. Now see, this 0 can be written as 0 upon 13 because we have to make denominator same. So, we will write 0 as 0 by 13. So, write here 6 by 13 minus 0 by 13. Now, 6 minus 0 by 13 and 6 minus 0, 6. So write here 6 by 13. See 6 by 13 minus 0 equal 6 by 13. Now, number second property. A fraction when subtracted from itself gives 0. A fraction when subtracted from itself gives 0. अगर हम कोई भी फ्रैक्शन को उसी फ्रैक्शन के साथ अगर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो आपका आंसर 0 आएगा. आंसर विल बी 0. See, for example, question number 1. 8 by 16 minus 8 by 16 equal 8 minus 8 by 16, and 8 minus 8 0. So write here 0 by 16, and 0 by 16 equal 0. So answer is 0. Now solve the following questions. Exercise 2E from Together with Essence book term 2. Question number 3. Simplify a part 3 whole 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. 3 whole 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Answer, right here 3 whole 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now see, this 3 whole 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. So first we will change into an improper fraction. So 3 whole 3 by 4 equal 3 multiply 4 12 plus 3 15. 15 by 4. So right here 15 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now see, 15 by 4 and 1 by 2 are unlike fractions. So first we will find the LCM of denominators, that is 4 and 2. So find the LCM of 4 and 2. So write here 4 and 2. Now see, 4 and 2 are divisible by 2. So write 2 here. Now see, 2 multiply 2, 4, 2 multiply 1, 2. Now see, this 2 is also divisible by 2. So write 2 here. Now see, 2 multiply 1, 2, write 1 as it is. LCM of 4 and 2 equal 2 multiply 2 equal 4. So LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Now write 15 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now see, LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So write 4 in denominator. So write 4 in denominator. Now divide 4 divide 4 multiply 15 minus 4 divide 2 multiply 1. Now see, 4 divide 4 equal 1 and 4 divide 2 equal 2. So write here 1 multiply 15 minus 2 multiply 1 by 4. Now see, 1 multiply 15, 15 and 2 multiply 1, 2. So write here 15 minus 2 by 4 and 15 minus 2, 13. So write here 13 by 4. Now see, 13 by 4 is an improper fraction. So change into a mixed fraction. So we will divide 13 by 4. So now divide 13 by 4. See, 4 multiply 3, 12. Now we will do subtraction. Now see, 3 minus 2, 1 and 1 minus 1, 0. Hence quotient is 3. Remainder is 1 and divisor is 4. So write here 3 whole 1 by 4. Answer is 3 whole 1 by 4. Now C part. 8 whole 4 by 5 minus 2 whole 2 by 5. Answer, write here 8 whole 4 by 5 minus 2 whole 2 by 5. Now see, these two fractions are mixed fractions. So change them into an improper fraction. 8 whole 4 by 5 equal 8 multiply 5. 40 plus 4, 44 by 5. So 8 whole 4 by 5 equal 44 by 5. And next 2 whole 2 by 5. See, 2 multiply 5, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 by 5. So write here 44 by 5 minus 12 by 5. Now see, 44 by 5 and 12 by 5 are like fractions. So write here 44 minus 12 by 5. Now subtract 44 and 12. 44 minus 12 equal 32. So write here 32 by 5. Now see, 32 by 5 is an improper fraction. So change them into a mixed fraction. So divide 32 by 5. So divide 32 by 5. Now see, 5 multiply 6, 30. Now subtract. See, 2 minus 0, 2 and 3 minus 3, 0. Hence quotient is 6. remainder is 2 and divisor is 5. So write here 6 whole 2 by 5. Answer is 6 whole 2 by 5. Now E part. 9 whole 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Answer 9 whole 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Now see 9 whole 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. So change into an improper fraction. 9 whole 1 by 2 equal 9 multiplied 2 18 plus 1 19. 19 by 2. So write here 19 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Now see 19 by 2 and 1 by 3 are unlike fractions. So first find the LCM of denominators, that is 2 and 3. So find the LCM of 2 and 3. So write 2 and write 3 here. Now see this 2 is divisible by 2. So write 2 here. Now see 2 multiply 1 2. Write 3 as it is. Now see this 3 is divisible by 3. So write 3 here. Write 1 as it is. 3 multiply 1 3. LCM of 2 and 3 equal 2 multiply 3 equal 6. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now write 19 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Now see LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So write 6 in denominator. Now divide 6 divide 2 multiply 19 minus 6 divide 3 multiply 1. Now see 6 divide 2 equal 3 and 6 divide 3 equal 2. So write here 3 multiply 19 minus 2 multiply 1 by 6. Now see 3 multiply 19 or 19 multiply 3 57 and 2 multiply 1 2. So write here 57 minus 2 by 6 and 57 minus 2 55. So write here 55 by 6. Now see 55 by 6 is an improper fraction. So we will change into mixed fraction. So we will divide 55 by 6. So divide 55 by 6. See 6 multiply 9 54. Now we will do subtraction. See 5 minus 4 1 and 5 minus 5 0. Hence quotient is 9. Remainder is 1 and divisor is 6. So write here 9 whole 1 by 6. Answer is 9 whole 1 by 6. Now question number 4. Fill in the blanks. A part 1 by 10 minus 0 equal dash. This we have learnt in property that if 0 is subtracted from the fraction, then answer is that fraction itself. Answer right here 1 by 10 minus 0 equal 1 by 10. Answer is 1 by 10. Now B part 6 whole 5 by 9 minus 0 equal dash. Answer 6 whole 5 by 9 minus 0 equal 6 whole 5 by 9. Answer is 6 whole 5 by 9. Now C part dash minus 0 equal 13 by 5. Dash minus 0 equal 13 by 5. Answer 13 by 5 minus 0 equal 13 by 5. Answer is 13 by 5. Now D part 6 by 8 minus dash equal 6 by 8. Answer 6 by 8 minus 0 equal 6 by 8. Answer is 0. Now E part 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 equal dash. Answer right here 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 equal 0. Answer is 0. Now F part 11 by 6 minus dash equal 0. Answer 11 by 6 minus 11 by 6 equal 0. Answer is 11 by 6. Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Exercise 2E. Question number 3. Simplify. B part 4 whole 1 by 2 minus 1 whole 4 by 5. D part 13 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now question number 4. Fill in the blanks. G part dash minus 6 by 9 equal 0. H part 2 whole 3 by 5 minus 2 whole 3 by 5 equal dash. I part 3 whole 9 by 18 minus dash equal 3 whole 9 by 18. Now I will discuss homework solution of lecture number 7 of chapter number 2. Now solve the following questions. Exercise 2E. Question number 1. Subtract. B part 7 by 12 minus 5 by 12. Answer right here 7 by 12 minus 5 by 12. Now see 7 by 12 and 5 by 12 are like fractions. So write here 7 minus 5 by 12. Now see 7 minus 5 2. So write here 2 by 12. Now see 2 by 12 is a proper fraction. So there is no need to change into mixed fraction. But we will reduce 2 by 12 to its lowest form. So we will divide 2 by 12 by that highest number so that it can divide both the numbers exactly. So we will divide 2 by 12 by 2. 2 divide 2. 1 and 12 divide 2. 6. So write here 1 by 6. Answer is 1 by 6. Now D part 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Now see 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 are unlike fractions. So first we will find the LCM of denominators, that is 2 and 4. So find the LCM of 2 and 4. So write here 2 and 4. Now see 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. So write 2 here. Now see 2 multiply 1 2. 2 multiply 2 4. Now see this 2 is also divisible by 2. So write 2 here. Write 1 as it is. 2 multiply 1 2. LCM of 2 and 4 equal 2 multiply 2 equal 4. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Now write 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Now see LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So write 4 in denominator. Now see 4 divide 2 multiply 1 minus 4 divide 4 multiply 1. Now see 4 divide 2 equal 2 and 4 divide 4 equal 1. So write here 2 multiply 1 minus 1 multiply 1 by 4. Now see 2 multiply 1 2 and 1 multiply 1 1. So write here 2 minus 1 by 4. Now see 2 minus 1 1. So write here 1 by 4. Answer is 1 by 4. Now E part 6 by 14 minus 3 by 21. Now see 6 by 14 and 3 by 21 are unlike fractions. So first find the LCM of 14 and 21. Answer first find the LCM of 14 and 21. Write here 14 and 21. Now see this 14 is divisible by 2. So write 2 here. Now see 2 multiply 7 14. Write 21 as it is. Now this 21 is divisible by 3. So write 3 here. Write 7 as it is. 3 multiply 7 21. Now see this 7 is divisible by 7. So write 7. Now see 7 multiply 1 7. 7 multiply 1 7. LCM of 14 and 21 equal 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. 2 multiply 3 6 multiply 7 42. So write here 42. So LCM of 14 and 21 equal 42. Now write 6 by 14 minus 3 by 21. Now see LCM of 14 and 21 is 42. So write 42 in denominator. Now divide 42 divide 14 multiply 6 minus 42 divide 21 multiply 3. Now see 42 divide 14 equal 3 and 42 divide 21 equal 2. So write here 3 multiply 6 minus 2 multiply 3 by 42. Now see 3 multiply 6 18 and 2 multiply 3 6. So write here 18 minus 6 by 42. Now see 18 minus 6 equal 12. So write here 12 by 42. Now see 12 by 42 is a proper fraction. So there is no need to change into mixed fraction. But we can reduce 12 by 42 its lowest form. So divide 12 by 42 by that highest number so that it can divide both the numbers exactly. So divide 12 by 42 by 6. 12 divide 6 and 42 divide 6. Now see 12 divide 6 2 and 42 divide 6 7. So write here 2 by 7. Answer is 2 by 7. Now question number 2. Find the difference. B part 7 minus 4 by 6. Answer, write 7 minus 4 by 6 and we can write 7 as 7 by 1. So write here 7 by 1 minus 4 by 6. Now we will find the LCM of denominators, that is 1 and 6. So LCM of 1 and 6 equal 6. So LCM of 1 and 6 is 6. Now write 7 by 1 minus 4 by 6. Now see LCM of 1 and 6 is 6. So write 6 in denominator. Now divide 6. Divide 1 multiply 7 minus 6 divide 6 multiply 4. Now see 6 divide 1. 6 and 6 divide 6 1. So write here 6 multiply 7 minus 1 multiply 4 by 6. Now see 7 multiply 6 42 and 1 multiply 4 4. So write here 42 minus 4 by 6 and 42 minus 4 equal 38. So write here 38 by 6. Now see 38 by 6 is an improper fraction and we can reduce 38 by 6 to its lowest form. So divide 38 by 6 by that highest number so that it can divide both the numbers exactly. So we will divide 38 by 6 by 2. So divide 38 divide 2 and 6 divide 2. 6 divide 2 3 and 38 divide 2 19. So write here 19 by 3. Now see 19 by 3 is an improper fraction. So first change into mixed fraction. So we will divide 19 by 3. So divide 19 by 3. Now see 3 multiply 6 18. Now we will do subtraction. See 9 minus 8 1 and 1 minus 1 0 and quotient is 6. Remainder is 1 and divisor is 3. So write here 6 whole 1 by 3. Answer is 6 whole 1 by 3. Now E part 6 minus 1 by 9. Answer, write here 6 minus 1 by 9. Now see we can write 6 as 6 by 1. So write here 6 by 1 minus 1 by 9. Now see LCM of 1 and 9 is 9. So LCM of 1 and 9 is 9. Now write 6 by 1 minus 1 by 9. Now see LCM of 1 and 9 is 9. So write 9 in denominator. Now divide 9 divide 1 multiply 6 minus 9 divide 9 multiply 1. Now see 9 divide 1 equal 9 and 9 divide 9 equal 1. So write here 9 multiply 6 minus 1 multiply 1 by 9. Now see 9 multiply 6 54 and 1 multiply 1 1. So write here 54 minus 1 by 9 and 54 minus 1 53. So write 53 by 9. Now see 53 by 9 is an improper fraction. So first change into mixed fraction. So we will divide 53 by 9. Divide 53 by 9. Now see 9 multiply 5. 45. Now we will do subtraction. Now see this 3 is smaller than 5. So we will borrow from next number, that is 5. It will become 4 and this 3 will become 13. And 13 minus 5, 8. And 4 minus 4, 0. Hence quotient is 5. Remainder is 8 and divisor is 9. So write here 5 whole 8 by 9. Answer is 5 whole 8 by 9. Now kindly subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.